Taming Tricky Twins, a journey into homophones. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. In today's lesson, we're going to dive into an interesting and often challenging part of the English language, homophones. As you may already know, homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and, quite often, different spellings. These tricky twins can create confusion, but with practice and attention, you can master them. Homophones can be tricky because they sound exactly alike. When we say them, it's the context that helps us understand the meaning. However, when we write them, we must be sure to use the correct spelling. Let's take a look at some commonly confused homophones. To start, let's look at there, and there. These words sound exactly the same when spoken, but have very different meanings. There is a possessive adjective, as in, it's their house. There is a contraction of, they are, as in, they're going to the park. There refers to a place or a point in a process, as in, put the book there. Or, there is one thing you should know. Our next set of homophones are your and your. Your is a possessive adjective, as in, your phone is ringing. Your is a contraction of, you are, as in, you're looking well today. Another classic pair of homophones is its and its. Its is a possessive adjective, as in, the dog wagged its tail. Its is a contraction of, it is, or, it has, as in, it's a lovely day. The best way to get a handle on homophones is through practice. Try using each of these words in a sentence. Write them down, say them out loud. Notice the different contexts in which they're used and the different meanings they convey, despite sounding the same. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with these tricky twins. That's our introduction to commonly confused homophones. Remember, mastering homophones takes practice, so don't be discouraged if you make mistakes. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using these words with ease and confidence. Thank you for joining us for this lesson, and keep exploring the English language with us in our upcoming videos. Happy learning!